Hi there. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to start trading Forex with just $1,000? The good news is, yes, you can. And today I'm going to show you exactly the right way to do that. Now, again, now, if you ever thought that it was not possible that you had the right amount of money to trade, some people have even said that the biggest drawback for traders is being undercapitalized. That's the biggest obstacle they have. And some people even go on to say that if they had more money, they could stay in the position longer. But I want to tell you that even with a small account, you could have big gains. And we're going to dive right in. So the answer is, can a trader make money with only $1,000? Well, yes, they can, and I'll show you how to do it. Now, I know that you might be thinking $1,000. That seems like a small amount to trade with, but let me tell you, when you start with the right plan and the right mindset, that small beginning can lead to amazing results. So stick with me, and I'll show you the exact steps you need to start trading confidently, even if you're completely new. Now, I'm Dr. Gregory McLeod, and my mission is to empower aspiring traders to achieve financial freedom through simple, proven strategies without spending all day in front of the screen. In this video, I'll guide you step by step so you can start trading confidently, protect your capital, and take the first step toward transforming your financial future. So let's dive in. Now, by the end of this video, you'll know these key things. First, how to open a Forex trading account right away. Second, how to manage your risk so you can grow your account safely. And third, the simple strategies you need to start seeing results as a beginner. Oh, and I'll also reveal the number one mistake that most traders make and how you can avoid it. Sound good? Well, let's get started. Now, you want to focus on we got to manage our expectations, right? We want to focus on gradual, consistent growth in your Forex journey. And you want to start with these realistic expectations to build your skills and your confidence. You're aimed for steady growth rather than seeking for quick profits and swinging for the fences, okay? So, step number one, we're going to open a trading account with the right broker. And here's what to look for. You want to choose a broker that offers micro lots so you can trade small positions while managing risk. In fact, a micro lot is equal to 10 cents a pip. So one pip move in the currency will be 10 cents, right? So if you get 10 pips, well, that's $1. And 100 pips, well, that's going to be $10. Okay. So you want to choose that broker that offers micro lots so we can manage our risk. Now, you also want to look for low spreads because high fees can eat up all your profits. And you also want to use a reliable platforms like an MT4, C-Trader, TradeLocker, TradingView to execute your trades smoothly. Take your time here. Picking the right broker is the foundation of your trading journey. Check the reviews like on Trustpilot. But if you want to see the ones that we use, check out the descriptions. Check out the links in the descriptions below. And there's a couple of brokers that we use that are very reliable. Now, step two. Now, this is where most new traders go wrong. Step two is all about risk management. The golden rule: risk only 1% of your account per trade. Now, if $1,000, that means risking just $10 per trade. And this may sound small, but it protects your account while you learn the ropes and start building confidence. Remember, Forex is a marathon, not a sprint. Now, step three is you want to use simple, proven strategies to find your trades. Here are a few beginner-friendly ones, like look for support and resistance, levels to identify where the market might reverse. You can use trend following strategy. Follow the trend because the trend really is your friend. Using moving averages like 20, 50, and 100 moving averages to identify the trend direction. Then trade in the direction of the trend. Like I said, it's often said that the trend is your friend until it ends. My favorite scalping strategy for unlocking fast short-term gains with unbeatable 90% win percentage is pip and run. You can find out more about it in the description below and use tools like My Market Heat Map to analyze currency strength and spot opportunities. Start with just one or two strategies and focus on perfecting them before moving on to more advanced setups. You just want to overburden yourself and get yourself totally confused and frazzled, jumping from one shiny object to another. So stay focused, and that way, and master one or two, and that way you'll be able to find out what works best for you. Okay. Now, let me give you a few bonus tips to set up success. Avoid over leveraging. Many traders blow their accounts by trading too big. Okay. Bonus tip number two: you want to, avoid. You want to stick to one or two currency pairs in the beginning. Master those before adding more. There's an old saying that says, "He who chases too many rabbits catches none." So pick, two very, kind of liquid currency pairs, like the majors, like Aussie dollar, pound dollar, the euro dollar. Those are the ones that are based, or they're major. The major currency pairs are going to provide lots of liquidity, which means lots of people trade them. So it's easy to get in and out of the market. And also they're going to have smaller spreads, or smaller or lower costs to actually trade them, because they are so popular that the spread or commissions are very low on those. Okay. In fact, try to shop around for a broker that charges no commissions. They do have those. Okay. Another bonus step is to focus on learning, not earning. When you're just starting out, now profits will come as you build your skills. Remember, you want to trade well, and as you trade well, the market will reward you for trading well. So just keep that in mind. Kick the visions of like grandeur, make $1 million tomorrow. Just kind of like, hey, learn and grow and give yourself a chance to become more proficient. Okay, so let's recap the 3 steps to starting a Forex trading with just $1,000. You want to open up a Forex trading account. You want to practice solid risk management, right? And you want to remember, you want to use simple, proven strategies like support and resistance or trend following. Or again, if you want to find out about a short-term strategy with a 90% win rate, click the link below and book a free profit acceleration call. And you can talk to me, and I'll tell you about how it works and see if it's right for you. Okay. Remember, starting small, staying consistent, and protecting your capital is the key to long-term success. The job number one of a trader is risk management and capital preservation. Okay. So download your beginner's checklist below. Go ahead and click the link in the description, and make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Thank you so much. And you guys have a great trading day. Happy pipping.
If you felt a spark here and want to see how these principles can be used in your own trading, go to www.elitetradersuniversity.com/apply to book a free session with our team. We have helped hundreds of people remove the frustration and obstacles in trading to become consistent, highly profitable traders. These are proven principles that just work. Happy pipping!